understand what the company do. Size is around 10,000 crore, which was November 13, 2024. 15% is reserved for them. 51 megawatt in solar as 14,696. So as you know, the NTPC Green Energy IPO is coming up next. So let's understand some of the key details and how to apply under the shareholders quota for this IPO. So first, let's understand what the company do. NTPC Green Energy Limited, that's a renewable energy subsidiary of NTPC, is set to raise 10,000 crore through its IPO, which will open for subscription on November of 19, 2024. So here I'll try to break down the IPO and how NTPC shareholder can apply for additional chances of allotment as well. So if we talk about some of the key highlights which you should know as an investor is the IPO size is around 10,000 crore, which is consist of fresh issue of around 92.59 crore shares. And the price band will be around 102 to 108 rupees per share. If we talk about the subscription dates, the dates are 19th of November 2024. The listing date, which is expected on November 27, 2024 on BSE as well as on NSE. Now the registrar will be KFin Technologies Limited and the lead managers for this company will be IDBI Capital, HDFC Bank, IIFL Securities and Novuma Wealth Management. Now let's talk about the shareholders quota, which is 1,000 crore worth of share are reserved for NTPC shareholders. So shareholders can apply under the shareholders quota if they held NTPC shares on the filing date of the red herring prospectus, that is RHP, which was November 13, 2024. So there is no discount for shareholders. They are applying this category, but they can apply under both the shareholders quota and the retail, that is the non-institutional investor categories for the increased chances of allotment. Now, if we talk about the eligible shareholders can also file two applications under one shareholders quota and another under the retail or the non-institutional shareholder quota. Now let's talk about the IPO subscription breakdown. That is 75% of the issue is reserved for qualified institutional buyers and 10% is reserved for retail investors. And if we talk about non-institutional is NII, that is 15% is reserved for them. Now let's talk about the minimum investment. So retail investor can apply for a minimum of 138 shares, that is amounting to around 14,904 at the upper price band. And if we talk about the proceeds, the fund raised will be used to repay the loans for NTPC's subsidiary, NTPC's Renewable Energy Limited, and for the general corporate purposes. Now let's talk about little bit about NTPC Green Energy. The company was established in April 2022, which focuses on renewable energy projects. As of August 2024, it had an operational capacity of 3,071 megawatt in solar as well as 100 megawatt in wind projects. So the company's total portfolio includes 14,696 megawatt with further growth potential to 25,671 megawatt once ongoing projects are completed. So between financial year 22 and financial year 24, NTPC Green Energy basically saw strong growth with 29% CAGR in the revenue and a 53.7% growth in profit. So the NTPC Green Energy IPO is a major opportunity for investors, especially those holding NTPC share, as they can apply under the shareholder quota for higher chances of allotment. The company's focus is on renewable energy and significant growth prospects, making it an exciting debut in the renewable energy sector. So what do you think about this IPO? Are you applying for this? Please do comment in the comment section below. Thank you everyone.